Good evening, everybody. Today we are having the event number 8, Toastmasters. And the topic for today is how to do Forex trading in India legally. So, this is the topic for today. And generally, Forex trading is allowed throughout the world, but not in India. So, this is the situation we are facing in India. And, if you go to online, internet, search lot many websites and YouTube, lot many platforms for knowing about forex trading. We get to know forex trading is really simple. It is just an exchange of currencies, and through that, people make money. Let me give an example. Uh, Now, let me say I have uh, rupees with me. So the dollar price, let's imagine it is 90 rupees. It is approximately 88, something like that. So let me call it as 90 rupees. I purchase a dollar spending 90 rupees. I purchase $1. And after a few days, let's imagine dollar goes to 100 rupees. So if I sell the dollar and purchase money, I mean rupee back, I get 10 rupees profit. So in this way, the profit happens in currency transactions. This is called forex trading. So usually how forex trading happens, it happens in pairs. Like you can have rupee and dollar, or rupee or euro, rupee or Japanese yen, rupee or the pound, whatsoever the currencies. It happens in pair. So you purchase a currency, hold for some time, and if you see that uh, it is going really high, you can hold on, then you can sell it and you can make a profit. Sometimes if you find that the currency you're holding is losing value, you can sell it as early as possible. There are, this, as it is said, this is 24 hours transaction. Like there is no barrier because it is happening throughout the world. You can do 24 into 5 because it is only happening for 5 days, not 7 days. But you have 24 hours a day to do the transaction of these currencies. And in India, since Indian rupee, is not having that value against the dollar and pound and euro, government is having a very strict rule restricting the Indians to do forex trading in India because they have an understanding that rupee will fall further. Rupee's value will go down if the forex trading is allowed in India. But still, apart from this, when we look into the social media or the websites, there are a lot many influences convincing people to go for trading, go for forex trading, and they say pro firms are there. There are other like XNS is there, and there are other platforms or brokers who will do the uh, forex trading on behalf of you, and you have to just keep your money there, and these things happen this way. But the problem is neither the government is telling it is very legal to do forex trading, how to do. SEBI is not giving any clear picture, and RBI is not giving any clear picture. Even central government is not giving any clear picture. But these things are happening like unregulated way. They're not happening in a very legal way. But there is a peer-to-peer transaction. Okay, agency to agency or broker to broker transactions. These are taking place in an unimaginable way. And there is no proper system to run it as it is in the stock exchange. It's not a proper system. So nobody knows whether it is completely legal or illegal. And there are many people who say it is illegal. There are people, those who have lost the money because even crypto gets involved when it is not legal because you have to deal in crypto. And there are a lot many confusions in this market when it comes to forex trading. So today, as we have gone through some research about this through online data, I think you guys will be able to bring a clear picture up to certain extent. Yeah, because none of us is involved in forex trading directly or indirectly. So we may not be knowing complete picture of this. But the truth is we have been aware of the trends, we have been aware of the information that's available online or from people, those who have been trading. We must have come across some people who may say it is happening. Actually, since it is not really publicly uh, you know supported through the by the government. Usually, people are doing this by word of mouth. They hear friends doing, then they do it. It's happening in this way. So when government is not supporting or backing this, when the loss happens, then government doesn't come to picture at all. It is individual loss. So explaining this in this way, I hand over the topic, the session to Arman. Take over.
Thank you, sir. So, as we all know, forex trade is also known as foreign exchange. So, is it's a process of exchanging one currency to another solely for the with the mind of profit, with the gaining profit by the changes of exchange rate. For example, as Augustine sir said, if we buy a US dollar at low price and we have some clues that it will go higher or get stronger. So in near future, we'll sell it. So that's how we gain profit. And it's the most largest and most highly liquid market, financial market. And what's make it liquid? Liquid marketing is a financial market uh, where a person can buy and sell without any what do you say restrictions, or they can exchange it easily because it's run 24 by 7, 24 by 5. We can exchange it in very fast way compared to other financial markets. And it is also very risky because some factor come in and some factors which affect foreign exchange are economic events like having Olympics in different countries. It will affect their currency, and some other geopolitical developments between some countries can affect forex trade, and also central bank rules. So, all in all, forex trade is very interesting financial market, but it is very complex, and we need high information about currency marketing. And in India, we can do forex trade, but it is heavily restricted and regulated by FEMI, Forex Exchange Management Act, and RBI. And we can also we can only do it through SEBI regulated uh, we can only do it through SEBI regulated brokers. So yeah, that's all.
Can you name any SEBI-regulated brokers if you got any? No, I'm not asking you to name from the air. I want clear data. You got it?
Currently, I don't have one.
Yeah. Next time when you do the research, you come with the facts and data because that's what we need here. So if SEBI regulated, there are agencies and the platforms or platforms or maybe brokers. We want the brokers who are exactly. So then it can be really truthful and the data can be trusted. Anyway, points are good. Points are good, and but more into data. Okay, we want
Okay.
facts. Yes, good, Arman. So going next to Mala.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Good evening. So, I'd like to share my screen. I think most of the points is covered by Agustin and Arma. So, I would like to brief the points and give my points next. Before getting into forex trade, and I would like to show how stock trading and forex trade is working in the surroundings. So, the stock trading will be happening based on the company's performance and the supply chain, and that things are taken into consideration, and they are selling the stocks and they will buy the stocks. Likewise, in forex trading, the currency of a two countries are being compared, and the trading happens based on the value increase and decrease of the currency. So that is happening in forex trade. The next point is about how the currencies are compared. So currencies are compared based on these two factors. The first thing is supply and demand of that particular country, and the second point is about the economical status, that is the interest data, the growth and geographical tension. For example, if you get into Palestine or Israel, their economy is completely down because of the war and other environmental issue. So that also affects the currency of the particular country. So these factors are taken into consideration for pricing the and making sure the currency increase and decreasing value happens by this points. And these are the top 10 currency combinations in current global forex trading. And here, if you see, we have two things. One is base currency, another is quote currency. Base currency is the country that we are going to be the first, like if this is the base currency and this is the quote currency, which helps us to charge against the current currency which we are using. For example, here you have euro and USD. If euro is the base currency. So in euro, what you will be doing is how much USD, for example, the US dollar, how much you need to buy 1 euro. To buy 1 euro is the foreign currency, and the base currency will be the currency that you are going to buy. So that are the two major pricing terms they are using here. And currency, um, here, if you see, there is no India. India is not there because of these reasons. One is the advantage of promotion that is used for forex trading is their leverage. Markets open for 24/7, no gap up and gap down. So people can come up after their work and they can just start doing forex trading as their secondary income. And also people who are doing it in trillions and millions, they can invest 24 hours and they can be trading. No gaps and no ups where people, there won't be much ups and downs. So people will just put their money and they can get the return safely. There is no price manipulation and funded account. Funded account is like people will come and give you money. If you have a good rate, they will give the money to you and you can fund it. But um, in reality, like in India, there is no leverage. So since there is no leverage, that is becoming a major advantage. And second thing is there is no 24/7 market. If you are doing forex trading in India, it is like allowed only from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And if you are doing for 1 crore or 2 crores, like more amount, then it will be around 9 a.m. from morning to 7:30 p.m. in the evening. And since there is a time restriction, there comes a gap of ups and downs present. So these are the major reason why India is not recognized for global forex trading. And the second thing is India is not completely banned um, this one forex trading. They have forex trading, but there is a restriction on pairing. So Indian currency pairing only we can do with USD and INR, and Europe and INR, Japan and INR, like British and INR. So these are the currencies that are allowed for you to do pairing and in forex trading. And the below one are the other major currencies, but these are not available. So the SEBI and this one RBI approved platforms like brokerage platforms like Upstock you can do, Grow you can do, and also there is another, that one I'll give you the data. But Upstock, there is a option. I personally went and saw there is an option to enable currency trading. So that will help you to do forex trading with these two, and it is approved by FEBI and sorry, not FEBI, SEBI and this one, RBI. And if we are doing this pairing apart from these allowed countries, then it is considered as illegal. Then the government will take action on you based on Foreign Exchange Act, where you will be jailed, and there is no bail when you are in jail period, and also you have to pay around 10,000 per day as a penalty. And the restrictions why as RBI and SEBI is coming up, the points which they are stating is, first thing, the financial stability. Second thing, they want to maintain the currency rate. And third one, they want to safeguard the traders from the scams, because there are a lot of scams reported where they have given the money to the third party to do forex trading apart out of these 7 countries. So that have made many losses, and many people have received money from inappropriate accounts, which is called as national security threat. So these are the reasons they are keeping front that these because of these reasons they are keeping the restrictions on forex trading. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Mula. It was really a very good presentation. Things were very clear. The moment when we speak about a topic and we know the context, we know how it happens, then it is very difficult to understand. And if we don't know the topic in detail, then presentation really makes it understandable, intelligible in the best way possible. Uh, I spoke in the beginning, Arman spoke next. It was just like we are speaking about something, but when you presented the concept in a very clear slide way, it was really good. And I think the best, uh, you know, explanation with the pictorial representations. I think I'm happy that I didn't give much, presentation in the beginning. I was thinking to get the presentation, but I thought like, if let's imagine 4 of us also do, or 3 of us do the presentation, it becomes really hectic and we cover the same points again and again. So, and you took up the presentation. I think our session is just better, I would say.